Hello, and welcome to this FortiWeb video on bot mitigation. FortiWeb offers a range of features specifically designed to detect and mitigate bot attacks, providing robust protection for web applications and APIs. Using a combination of behavioral analysis, AI-based detection, and rate-limiting controls, FortiWeb can identify and block malicious bots while ensuring a seamless experience for legitimate users. FortiWeb uses several smart methods to detect and stop bot attacks. First, there's threshold-based bot detection, where you set behavioral limits, like how many requests a user can make in a short time, to help flag suspicious activity. Then we have biometric-based bot detection, which looks at how users interact with the site. Things like mouse movement or scrolling patterns can reveal whether it's a human or a bot. With machine learning-based bot detection, FortiWeb actually learns what normal user behavior looks like and can automatically spot anything that seems off or bot-like. Trap-based detection is pretty clever. It uses hidden links that normal users never see, but bots might try to click on, instantly revealing themselves. Known bot detection taps into FortiGuard's bot intelligence database to tell the difference between helpful bots, like search engines, and harmful ones. And finally, there's FortiAppSec's advanced bot protection service. It adds even more muscle by using a cloud-based bot scrubbing center that can catch and respond to sophisticated bots in real time. All right, let's kick things off by looking at the features that detect bots based on how they behave. Biometrics-based bot detection is an advanced feature that distinguishes human users from bots by analyzing client-side interactions, such as clicking behavior, page focus, mouse movements, keyboard inputs, screen touches, and scrolling behavior. In this example, a bot is programmed to navigate an e-commerce website to scrape data or perform automated purchases. Unlike a human, who would naturally move the mouse in a slightly erratic or curved path, the bot might move the mouse in perfectly straight lines or with unnaturally consistent precision. Additionally, the bot might click on elements with exact timing, for example, every 1.5 seconds, or scroll through pages at a constant speed without any pauses or variations. You can configure FortiWeb to detect movements that are too precise, repetitive, or lack the natural variability of human interaction. It would flag the session as potentially bot-driven. This allows the system to block or challenge the bot while allowing legitimate human users to continue their activities uninterrupted. FortiWeb's threshold-based bot detection is a feature that helps distinguish between human users and automated bots by monitoring for suspicious behaviors that occur at abnormal rates. These include excessive 403 and 404 response codes, repeated attack signatures, slow attack activities, content scraping, and unauthorized user scans. When abnormal activity is detected, FortiWeb takes action to mitigate potential threats. A bot programmed to scrape website content, such as product descriptions, pricing, or blog articles, typically sends a high volume of requests in a short period. For example, it may rapidly request hundreds of product pages, bypass normal browsing behaviors like navigating categories or clicking on ads, and trigger numerous 404, not found, or 403, forbidden, errors while probing for hidden or non-existent pages. You can configure FortiWeb to monitor the rate of specific behaviors and compare them to predefined thresholds, such as the occurrence of certain behavior within a certain time. Once FortiWeb identifies the bot's behavior as exceeding the defined thresholds, it can take action to block or challenge the bot. FortiWeb's machine learning-based bot detection enhances traditional signature and threshold-based methods by identifying sophisticated bots that might otherwise evade detection. At the core of this feature is a machine learning algorithm called Support Vector Machine, or SVM for short. It learns what normal user behavior looks like across your applications, then constantly compares that to incoming traffic. So, if something changes, like an application update, FortiWeb automatically updates its model to keep detection accurate. It analyzes user behavior across 13 different dimensions. That includes things like the rate of HTTP requests, use of illegal HTTP versions, or missing headers. And here's the best part. There's no need to manually set thresholds. If a request doesn't match the learned normal behavior, FortiWeb flags it as a bot. Simple as that. Next, let's take a look at the features that catch bots proactively, either by setting traps or using built-in intelligence to spot them. FortiWeb's bot deception feature is a proactive defense mechanism designed to detect and trap malicious bots, such as web crawlers. It works by inserting hidden links into HTML response pages. Human users browsing normally will not see or interact with these invisible links. But bots, especially crawlers, may unknowingly follow them, revealing their automated behavior. Configuration is easy. Tell FortiWeb the hidden links you want to insert and on which URLs pages you want to insert it. In this example, FortiWeb will insert the hidden link on page www.example.com/admin whenever someone accesses it. FortiWeb's known bots feature helps distinguish between different types of automated traffic. It identifies malicious bots, such as DDoS bots, spammers, and content scrapers. It also recognizes legitimate bots, like search engine crawlers. By filtering harmful bots while allowing beneficial ones, FortiWeb protects websites, mobile applications, and APIs without disrupting essential traffic. Setting it up is super simple. Just toggle the switch next to each bot category to enable or disable detection for good or bad bots. And if you need to customize it, you can easily edit the bot list to fit your specific needs. And finally, FortiWeb has a feature that taps into a bot scrubbing center, giving you real-time protection against bot attacks as they happen. FortiWeb integrates with FortiAppSec Cloud's advanced bot protection service, a SaaS-based solution built to detect and block sophisticated bots that launch automated attacks against your online applications, such as data harvesting, credential stuffing, account takeover attempts, DDoS attacks, and other fraudulent activities. The advanced bot protection service injects JavaScript into the client's browser via FortiWeb to monitor behavior and collect request samples. These samples are used to train a machine learning model that learns the typical, normal request patterns. When a new request arrives, FortiWeb queries the ABP service to determine if the client is a bot. If the request significantly deviates from the learned patterns, ABP flags it as anomalous and potentially malicious. FortiWeb blocks the request based on the query, confirming the request as bot-related. If the result shows the client is legitimate, FortiWeb performs its security checks and forwards the traffic to the back-end server. The machine learning model driving the advanced bot protection service, along with its advanced traffic scrubbing capabilities, ensures strong detection and mitigation of malicious bot activities. Besides blocking bots effectively, the ABP service also gives you detailed insights. You can track bot traffic, spot malicious transactions, monitor account activity, and more. Safeguard your application with FortiWeb's comprehensive bot mitigation features. These tools work seamlessly to detect and block malicious bots, ensuring robust protection for your web applications. Thank you for watching.